skills and values necessary to navigate life challenges in an ever-evolving world. Education remains a powerful tool for personal development and making it essential for every individual's success and well-being. Now I request everyone to join their hands and close your eyes and get ready for the prayer.
Classes, get ready for your prayer. Classes, get ready.
It is a happy moment for us as our class teacher Jancy ma'am celebrate her birthday today. We invite ma'am on the stage.
On this day we happy together. Happy birthday to you. On this day we happy together. Happy birthday to you. Many joyfully, cheerfully wishing. Many joyfully, cheerfully wishing. Happy birthday to you. Asking God for every blessing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
I cordially welcome our principal, Father Joby Joseph, to witness our program. Also, I call Kushali to welcome the bouquet. Now I will call Arya and Aman to update you with the news.
Good morning to all. Today, Dr. headlines are starting with some international news. Australia's Prime Minister demands Russia explain what happened to Australian POW. Kumbh Mela at Prayagraj and encounter with Naga sadhus and 10 states. Israel-Hamas draft ceasefire deal. A look at the terms and tensions. Muhammad Yunus demands return of stolen millions in Bangladesh.
Now some national news are Delhi police registers complaint against CM RCC for using government vehicle for political purpose. Delhi, Noida and other places in the national capital region woke up to layers of dense fog on Wednesday as cold wave conditions insignificant across northern India, affecting visibility was close to zero, which could potentially disrupt flight and train services. Delhi recorded a temperature of 10 degrees Celsius around 5:30 a.m. on Wednesday. The India Meteorological Department forecast a minimum temperature of degree Celsius for a day. while the maximum is expected to settle at 19 degrees Celsius. In addition, the weather department has also forecast a generally cloudy sky with light rain or drizzle for the day.
Now some entertainment news are Payal Kapadia's All We Imagine as light bags to Golden Globe nomination. Delhi poll complained against Parvesh Verma for distributing shoes to voters. Result shows new wrapping, know which fabrics, materials and styles are trending. Ram Charan's Game Changer uniquely aired on TV channel just days after release. And last but not the least, starting with some sports news. Rishabh Pant said to play for Delhi in Ranji Trophy game against Rajasthan. Like Mumbai cricketers, Virat Kohli should also play for Delhi in domestic cricket. DDCA secretary Ronaldo to become co-owner of AINSL with new contract extension report. Kobe Plano in Chalisa, Manchester United footballer demands 2 crore per week report. Thank you.
Arab Sokashi and Anshika Kumari Singh will have the conversation.
Good morning to all respected fathers, sisters, teachers and all my dear friends. Today I am Ilham Sapnashri and my friend Ansika Kumari from class 5th day are here to tell us on conversation on the topic political awareness. Hi Anshika, can I ask you some questions about political awareness?
Yes, of course.
Who is the highest official of India?
President is the highest official of India.
How do people choose the government?
People choose the government through election.
What are the two houses of parliament called, Anshika?
Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha.
Where is the Supreme Court of India?
Supreme Court of India is in New Delhi.
What are the rules and regulations of the country known as, Anshika?
Rules and regulations of a country are laid down in Constitution.
What is the minimum age for a person to vote in India?
In India, the minimum age for a person to vote 18 years old.
How often the elections of our country?
Every 5 years, Sapnashri.
Can you name some major political parties of our country?
Yes, Sapnashri. Congress, Bharatiya Janata Party, Sikh in a party, Bahujan Samaj Party, etc.
You have told all the answers correct. Now I am late for my classes. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
Very fresh good morning to all. Respected father, sister, worthy teachers and all my dear friends. Today, we the students of class 5A are here to present the short skit on the topic Importance of Education. The skit highlights the transformative power of education, showcasing how learning to a period can lead to empowerment of support from teachers and peers in nurturing confidence and ambition. Scene 1. The classroom.
Kavya, did you hear about the new program for girls' education? They are starting a cultural club.
Yes, who needs cultural club? School is boring enough as it is.
But it's not just cultural activities, it's about the learning to her.
And what food is to going to do?
Good morning, students.
Good morning.
Sit down. Today we are going to discuss about importance of education. Teacher, can you talk about the new cultural club? Of course, Archika. Education is about more than just what we learn from book. It's about finding our voices, learning to think critically and shaping our future. I still don't see why it's matter.
Ma'am, I want to join a cultural club. Could you please tell me the procedure?
Kavya, the cultural club meets only after the school. Will you be allowed to stay back after school?
Yes, ma'am. I can stay back after the school. But how often does the club meet?
Just once in a week, and that's every Friday.
Yes, ma'am. I can stay back on Friday as I do not have any activity on that day.
Then you will need to fill this form. You must have to do it in capital letters and then get it signed by either of your parents.
Is that all?
Oh yes, you also need 2 passport-size photographs.
May I submit this form along with photograph end of this week?
Yes, you may.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Okay students, bye. Meet you tomorrow.
Thank you, ma'am.
Scene 2. Arpita and Anshika are walking home.
Arpita, I signed up for the cultural club. You should join too. Tomorrow is the cultural club program. I still don't see why it's matter. I don't know, it sounds like a lot of work. But think about it. If we learn to speak confidently, we can stand up for what we believe in. Maybe I will think about it. Bye.
Good morning to all of you. Scene 3, next day. Welcome to the Cultural Club program. Firstly, I invite Anshika to the stage for the speech.
Good morning, all respected father and all my dear. Good morning to all respected father, teachers and all my dear friends. Today I am Anshika from class 5th to deliver a short speech on the topic girls' education. Today I want to talk about why girls' education matters. When girls are educated, they can change the world. They can become doctors, engineers, leaders, scientists, etc. Do you know why education is important? It gives us knowledge, it teaches us lessons of humanity, it comprises good thoughts in human beings, it tells men how to think, how to work properly, how to make decisions. It highlights to human talents, it leads to discoveries and innovation. Lastly, it develops a meaningful outlook on life. Thank you.
Thank you, Anshika. Now, Krishna will sing a song.
आओ तुम्हें चाँद पे ले जाएं, प्यार भरे सपने सजाएं, छोटा सा बंगला बनाएं, एक नई दुनिया बसाएं। हो
बसाएं हो तुम्हें जान पे ले जाएं गम जहाँ सोए और खुशी जागे आज की है मंजिल तारों से आगे दिल वहाँ लौटते नहीं है आंसू तो होते नहीं है हो तुम्हें जान पे ले जाए प्यार पर सपने सजाए छोटा सा बंगला बनाए एक नई दुनिया बसाए
Thank you.
To one and all present over here, respected father, loving sisters, worthy teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, I am Divyanshu Singh is here to deliver a short speech on the topic education. Education is very important for everyone. It is the key to success. It guides us in taking the right decisions. It develops the overall personality of a person. It enhances the behavior of the person through learning and development. It enhances the education prepares the children for the future so that they can contribute towards the development. Everyone has the right to take education. It makes our life better and peaceful. There is no age to take education. Education upgrades the thinking of the society and helps to uproot the social evils. Thank you.
गुड मॉर्निंग। ये लोग तो बहुत व्यस्त हैं। गुड मॉर्निंग।
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम हे गुड मॉर्निंग सिट
मैम कुछ लोग बाहर इंटरव्यू के लिए आए हैं। मे आई किल देम?
व्हाट यू वांट टू किल देम
सॉरी मैम, क्षमा कर दीजिए।
ओके कॉल देम वन बाय वन
प्लीज अंदर आओ, कम इन।
मैम मे कम इन यस कम इन सिट तुम्हारा नाम क्या है मेरा नाम वैष्णवी शाह है तुम्हारी शिक्षा क्या है मेरी शिक्षा एमए बीएडी है तुम्हारे पिताजी का नाम क्या है मेरे पिताजी का नाम वीरेंद्र कुमार शाह है तुम्हारे पिताजी क्या करते हैं मेरे पिताजी डॉक्टर हैं ओके लीव थैंक यू मैम
नर्स कम इन। मैम मेरी फाइल।
ठीक है सिट डाउन अरे तुम कहाँ हो
अरे मैम मैं यहाँ हूँ।
अरे अपनी सीट लो अरे तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो यहाँ आकर बैठो और अब बताओ तुम्हारा नाम क्या है
मैम मेरा नाम एमपी है।
इसका क्या मतलब
मोहन पाल।
तुम्हारे पिताजी का नाम
एमपी मैम।
मतलब
मनमोहन पाल मैम।
अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन बताओ
एमपी मैम।
अब इसका क्या मतलब है
माइंड ब्लोइंग प्रेजेंटेशन मैम।
तुम कहाँ रहते हो
एमपी मैम।
ओके व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म
मध्य प्रदेश मैम।
ओके व्हाई डू यू नीड दिस जॉब
बाय मैम।
तुम ये जॉब क्यों चाहते हो
एमपी मैम।
अब इसका क्या मतलब है
मनी प्रॉब्लम मैम।
ओके लीव
माई फोटो मैम।
टेक इट एंड लीव
एमपी मैम।
व्हाट
माई प्रेजेंटेशन मैम।
तुम यहाँ जो भी परफॉर्म किए हो वो एमपी है जस्ट नाउ लीव
नट्स प्लीज अंदर आओ।
मैं कविता यस कम इन सिट ओके व्हाट इज योर नेम
Ranchola Samanta Sagar.
व्हाट इज योर फादर नेम
Sabke Baba Ramdev Baba.
व्हाट इज योर क्वालिफिकेशन
M.Tech now.
मुझे तुमसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस और पूछने हैं
Okay ma'am.
ओके टेल मी 3 स्टेप्स टू कीप एलिफेंट इन फ्रिज
fine. And you are fine. Okay guys, we'll meet tomorrow. What tomorrow? Interview कल है. पर मैं भी तुम लोग की तरह candidate. Thank you. Okay, empty. Now Nitya will sing a song.
कैसे तू गुनगुनाए मुस्कुराए छोटी मोटी बातों पे मुंह फुलाए ये नजाकत मेरी आदत पास मुझे लाए नादानियाँ नादानियाँ खींचे मुझे नादानियाँ 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 पागल करे तेरी हर अदा शाम सुबह मैं तेरी याद करूं तेरे ख्यालों से मैं बात करूं तेरी नजर में ये कैसा नशा तेरी आवाज में कैसा सुकून दिल के सारे इशारों पे बस तेरा ही नाम है कैसे तू गुनगुनाए मुस्कुराए छोटी मोटी बातों पे मुंह फुलाए ये नजाकत मेरी आदत पास मुझे लाए नादानियाँ नादानियाँ खींचे मुझे नादानियाँ 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 पागल करे तेरी हर अदा आजा पास मेरे लिखी जो सौ कहानियाँ तू जो साथ मेरे करे जहाँ पालियाँ तेरी सांसों में देखूं हर पल मेरा तेरी आँखों में देखूं हर कल मेरा जरा पास तो आ फिर से दोहरा दिल के सारे इशारों पे बस तेरा ही नाम है नादानियाँ नादानियाँ खींचे मुझे नादानियाँ 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 पागल करे तेरी हर अदा थैंक यू
Teacher enters the class.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Hey, what are you doing?
Good morning.
Okay, sit down. Children, do you know good manners? It is accepted by all.
Yes, sir. We have to follow good manners.
Good manners include our words, deeds, gesture, movement, manner of speech, and many other great qualities. They are the outward expression of one's personality. Can you say something about it?
Yes, and we repeat our first letter from home. We observe our parents and elders very closely. I got this act wired from home.
Teachers and companions are our source. It is important to choose our friends. We tend to imitate them and behave like them. We are fortunate if we are in company of people who have good manners.
Yes, you are right. Society and environment play a great job in cultivation of good manners. It is necessary to watch over our words.
Yes, sir. It is necessary to avoid saying high sounding, abusing words. It creates a bad impression. Sir, my opinion age must be respected. Respect must be shown to elders everywhere, irrespective of their financial standing or social status. We have to take care not to hurt these feelings.
Some of the bad manners are spitting out
the roads, biting the nails, digging the nose, winking, etc. All these must be avoided.
Yes, students, many form an opinion about us. It is difficult to change an opinion once it formed. Good manner we possess can create great influence on others. Hence, it is important that we train ourselves to speak and act according to the accepted norm. Okay, we will discuss more about it on the next class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, children.
At a local community event. You look good up during the activity program. Thanks, you should join too. Yeah, maybe I will. See, when girls support each other and learn together, amazing things can happen. I'm glad I joined the cultural club. I never realized how much our voice matters. Girls' education isn't about reading and writing. It is about improvement, about breaking barriers. When girls are educated, they can transform not only their own life but also their communities and the world. Thank you.
Education is important, and how education can transform society, individuals, was well depicted by class 5th A this morning. Let us give them a big round of applause for the wonderful presentation. Education is not just by hearting something what is there on the textbook, not just learning some words, not just learning how to speak good English and to communicate. It's more than that. Education also affects your personality. It teaches you how to behave, how to talk with others, how well-mannered you should be. And that's how what we are trying to learn from school. And class 5th A, through their different presentations, were trying to tell us what education means, how education can transform society and individuals, and also if not educated well, how chapris can be made, right? Are any chapris appreciated in the society? No. They are just laughed at, not understanding what the interviewer asked for and giving opposite replies. Therefore, education, you should understand that coming to the school is not just for learning something, but forming yourself. Your behavior, your attitude, your habits are all should be shaped and maintained. And teachers are trying to do that at the school. Therefore, when you are asked to keep silence, there is a meaning, there is a reason for asking for that. When you are asked to dress up well and neatly come to the school, there is a meaning for that. Only well dressed and well presented people are appreciated and welcomed by others. Therefore, the directions given from the school are to be followed to develop a good personality, to make a good character in yourself and make you better citizens. So once again I congratulate Jansi Madam, the class teacher, who is also celebrating her birthday. It's a golden day for her and the children. Thank you for guiding them and preparing them for this skit presentation and this special assembly. And congratulations once again. Thank you.
Call Kalina for vote of thanks.
Good morning, one and all gathered here. It's a matter of pride for me that I got a chance to present vote of thanks. I would like to express our gratitude to principal who have always been supportive for our initiative
last, I would like to thank our audience for watching the program patiently. Thank you, one and all.
Before that, please children, thank you everyone for wishing me the birthday. It was a surprise for me. Thank you, Father, sister, and all the teachers and all the children. And one more thing, this class has performed by themselves only. What all things they have done, they only prepared the things. So I am grateful for them and proud of them. Continue your activities throughout your life. Thank you.